Hi friend, today I'm unboxing the largest ink display I've ever had on this channel. A massive 13.3-inch Boox Note Max. And yeah, that's huge for an ink device. Most of the ones we see are in that 10-inch sweet spot, so this is a bit of a niche beast, but an exciting one. It's got a lot going on under the hood, and from the outside, sleek, elegant, but first impressions matter, right? So let me take you back to when I first cracked open the box and got my hands on this absolute unit of a device. Unboxing, no complaints here. The packaging is clean, elegant and premium. Inside you've got the essentials, the device itself, the USB-C cable, some paperwork you will probably never read, and the stylus, which comes with this little rubbery cap on top. More on that in a second. Now, first impressions of the device, it looks great. The white and silvery color scheme gives it a sleek, cold, almost futuristic elegance. No unnecessary buttons cluttering the design, just clean, minimal and premium. But then there's the stylus. If you've seen the one from the Boox Note Air 4C, this is the same deal. Lightweight, plasticky and not exactly premium. It looks and feels kind of cheap, and let's be honest, it's gonna show wear and tear fast as proved on my Air 4C's review. And that rubbery cap on top, kind of funny but doesn't add much. And here's the thing, the device looks high-end, it really looks elegant, but this stylus, it doesn't match that vibe at all. Competitors like the remarkable Paper Pro or Kindle Scribe way ahead in stylus build quality in my opinion. And considering the $650 price tag in the US and £550 in the UK, I like to expect something better. Now back to the device itself. On the top right you've got the power button, there are mic and speaker holes plus a charging port for the keyboard case. And at the bottom the USB charging port with LED lights. Everything feels well placed, simple and functional. When I picked this up, I was actually expecting a metal bag, but nope, it's actually two pieces of smooth plastic with a silver metal strip running through it. The edges are metal, the power button is metal, but for some reason, Boox went with plastic for the back. Why? Maybe it's a manufacturing challenge with a device this big, maybe it's to cut down on weight. What do you guys think? If you've got a theory, drop it in the comments. That says the device feels solid and elegant. At just 4.6mm thick, I was expecting at least some flex, but nope, rock solid. And think about that, less than 5mm thickness. I literally stacked two coins and yeah, same thickness. That's actually insane engineering and kudos to Boox for pulling this off. Now in terms of the premiumness, I'd say this is a good looking high-end device. But is it the most premium ink tablet I've held? Not quite. The remarkable Paper Pro still holds that title for me. It's got this incredible attention to detail that I just haven't seen anywhere else. But hey, that's just my opinion. You may feel differently about this device. And then there's the stylus. Yeah, they could have done something better here. In fact, I'd say the stylus may be the Achilles heel of the whole setup. Now let's talk about display. And Boox, boy, they went all in on minimalism here. No front light, just a pure 13.3-inch Carta 1300 monochrome ink display. That's a mouthful. With a 2400 by 3200 resolution at 300 ppi. And honestly, I love it. They're clearly going for that true paper feel, but with Android OS and all its flexibility for productivity-focused users. If you're here for pure reading, note-taking or document work, this setup makes a lot of sense. And let's talk size. This thing is perfect for A4 pages. PDFs, they look crisp. No zooming, no weird formatting issues, just clean, full page clarity. And with Carta 1300 ink, the contrast is solid. Darker than paper? Yeah, for sure, and the lack of a front light may be a deal breaker for some. But I want to test that out properly. Is it really a big issue in daily use, or is it just something you don't miss that much? I'll be diving deeper into that, but so far I'm quite impressed. But now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this beast of a device? Anything specific you want me to test for the full review? Drop a comment and let me know. And hey, if you enjoyed this quick first look and you're excited for the deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. But wait, there's more. If you want to check out the Note Max smaller brother, the Boox Note Air 4C, I've got a full in-depth review right here. And if you already have one, check out these tips and tricks to make the most out of it. All right, that's it from me for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.